Good afternoon, dear students. In today's session, we are continuing with next topic. In last session, we have studied till topic of selection of cell. How to select the specific cell. Either it is in row form, either it is in column form, either it is in a single cell form, either it is a specific cell. Afterward, next session is related to moving, copying and freeze the cell. How to freeze the cell, how to copy and how to move. So first step is that is moving the cell. Moving means to say movement in the direction of cell. Movement the position. It means switch from one position to another. There are two methods to change the position. Method 1, we can use the option of drag and drop. What do you mean by drag? To drag a specific column from one position to another position and drop on a particular position. You will start dragging, it means you will start taking the position from one to another position by dragging it with the help of mouse and keeping it on the position where you want to do it change, and that is known as drop. Drop means where you want to tap, that is the drop position. Drag from where you will start changing the position. That is first concept, that is dragging the particular cell. That is the concept of moving the cell. Second option we can use in form of cut and paste method. Suppose I am having cell A5. In A5 I am having data. I want to switch that data from A5 to C5. What I will do? I will cut from this position and I will paste at this position. For cutting the specific cell, we are having shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus X. And for paste, we are having the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus V. This is second method for moving the cell position, to changing the cell position. Next is copying the cell. What is the difference between move and copy? Move will change the position of cell, while copy will make the duplicate content on the same window or another window. Copy will create the double part on same position on other position, while move will change the same value on other position. In case of copy, value is available on two particular location. In case of move, value will be available on a single position. How to copy the content? For copying a content, we can use shortcut key, that is for copy we can use Ctrl plus C. If we want to do it copy by other method, then we can click on home. In home option we are having clipboard, and in clipboard we will select copy option. So we can do it by shortcut method also, we can perform it by step process also. What is the use of clipboard? Clipboard is used to save the value temporary till the time you are not pasting it on another position. Anything you are applying for cut operation, anything you are applying for copy operation, that will save in clipboard option. Clipboard will provide the data when you are getting it pasted on any position. It is not for single time, either you are pasting 50 times, it will provide the same data again and again till the time you will not free the clipboard memory. It will be present in the memory. If data is more in clipboard memory, then it will start overwriting. Previous data will start deleting and next data will start updating in the clipboard memory. This is the concept of clipboard for copy and cut operation. Next is that is freeze mean. Freeze means to say fix the value. As per Excel sheet structure. Data is stored in rows and columns. If we are having 50 record, 60 record, it can display on one screen. And if we are having 500 record, in that case what will happen? Multiple pages will be there. We have to do it up or down for that. And if we will do the data up and down, what will happen? The heading of first tag will be move upside. Like first line is heading serial number, name, grade and stream. If we are having 40 to 50 entries, till 50 entries it can be displayed on one page. And if we are having 500 entries, what will happen? We will try to drag it up and down by using the which operation? Navigation of rows and columns. And for navigation, what is available? Vertical and horizontal scroll bar is there. We can scroll the data top to bottom or left to right. Now problem is there, we want to enter new value. It means we want to enter 501 record. If 500 records are there, we want to enter 501 record. You don't know the column name. What is the name of column? Because column name has gone upward by navigating the screen. So what is the solution for that? You can fix the first row. Either you are having 5 records, either you are having 5,000 records, either you are having 5 lakh records. In that case, your first row can be fixed. And for that, which option we are using? That is known as freeze pane option. Freeze pane option will help to fix the first row and first column. The main purpose is that because in first row we are having the structure of data and we cannot forget that structure. We need the structure every time for insertion of new data. For that we need the first line, and first line can be fixed by the freeze pane option. Now where it is available? Freeze pane is available in view option. Click on view tab. In view tab you will find freeze pane option. In freeze pane now two options are there. Freeze first row and next is freeze first column. On which you will click, that will be fixed. Either you are having how many record, no problem. First line will fix, rest record will move up and down. There will be no any problem if you are using the freeze pane option on a specific first row or first column. One time you will select, it will be freeze. Second time you will again select, it will become unfreeze. So two options are there. One time it is freeze, second time it is unfreeze. When you do it freeze, then option will be there unfreeze first row. If you freeze the first column, then next time option will be there unfreeze first column. We can fix the position of first row and first column. Data will be as usual. Either you are having how many record, no problem. This is the concept of freeze pane. Now next concept is find, replace and autofill. Find, replace and autofill. Find, replace and autofill. These options are used to arrangement of data. Suppose you are having a report of 50 pages. You are having a report of 50 pages and you want to search how many times I have entered data for name Sumit. How many entries are there for Sumit name? I can easily filter. What I will do? I will use the find option. I will click on find option. Then one window will be appear. In that window, option will be there, find what. You will type here what fare you want to find. At bottom option will be there, find next, find all, and cancel. These options will be there. One more option will be there, that is highlight. You want to find the first position where the same record is available. Suppose you are typing here Sumit. If I click on find option, it will find out the position where first time Sumit is written. Find next, it will searching the next position where next time written, second, third, fourth, fifth. Whenever you click, it will go to the next position. And in find all, it will select all the similar words that are written in your document. Either it is written 50 times, either it is written 2 times. It will find out all the record on single click. And what is the highlight? It will find out all the record single time, and afterward it will highlight the specific word with yellow color. It will be individually visible, it will be separately visible by highlighting the particular word. That is highlighting the specific word. That is find option.
Sumit will be highlighted. Sumit name will be highlighted.
Yeah. Next is replace. One more thing for find, we can use shortcut key also. That shortcut key is Control plus H. Next option is there, Control plus H, that is replace. Replace means to say to change the existing value, to change the available values. Like we are having the value Sumit in the record and we want to change it with name Rajesh. Wherever Sumit is written, we want to change the name of Rajesh in that record. So how we will do? We will click on replace option. In replace option, new window will be appear. That window will display the option find what. Second option, replace what or replace with. And at bottom option will be there, find, replace, all, find all, and cancel. Suppose you want to exchange the word Sumit
With Ramkar.
with
Ramkar.
Rajesh. So what will happen? Even 50 times Sumit is written, even 5 times it is written in record, it will exchange the complete word by the option of replace all. If you click on replace all, it will complete change in the document. On behalf of Sumit, it will write Rajesh. If you want to change in only first position, in that case we can write click on replace. It will change on only the first position. If we want to find out how many times it is written, we can select on find all. It will search how many times the same name is written. And cancel, everybody knows if we don't want to perform this action. This is for cancellation. This is about replace option. Next is autofill. Autofill is for filling of automatic number, automatic sequence. Automatic sequence, it means we want to write any numeric value in sequential order. Either it is of a single value distance, either it is of double value distance. Suppose we are having column A, B, C, and we are having name, roll number, name, and position. We know first roll number is 101, next is 102, and we are having till 500 roll number. So we will not type all. We will write two roll numbers. We will select these two roll numbers by using shift key. And afterward, we will drag from this corner to till value of 500. What will happen when we drag it? Next value will become automatically 103. Next will become automatically 104. Till which position you want to drag it, it will show the values. You need not to type all values. You will type only first two values. Suppose your roll number is not in single distance, it is 101, 103, again same process. Automatically it will take next value 105, next value 107. What's the difference is there for these two values? It will be followed in full record. This is the concept of autofills. Now one question, suppose I am writing in first record Sunday, in second record I am writing Monday. Is it possible to perform the autofill option?
Yes, sir.
Yes, absolutely it is possible. We will select both cells. We will drag it from this position. It will repeat. It will complete till Sunday to Saturday. Again it will show Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It will repeat all days again and again till the time you are dragging. Same is for alphabetic. Suppose you want to write the same value again and again. You want to write 101 in each report. Only just type in one column and just drag this column from this area. It will automatically copy in each column 101 value. For similar value, only single value will type. For a series, you will type the two values, and for giving the number of days, you will type only 2 days. It is the concept of autofill. So in today's session, we have studied about how to move a cell, how to copy a cell, how to perform a freeze operation, how to perform the find, replace and autofill option. Students, if you are facing any problem, you can ask me in this session now only. Thank you. Have a nice day for this session.